Let's learn addition of integers using counters. Let's open this example so that we can understand this concept first. Okay, use counters to add -3 plus +2. We are supposed to add -3 with +2. How we can do this using the counters? Okay, let's see what they are saying. First, you should know the key idea of this skill is that pair made up of a positive counter and a negative counter have a value of 0. That means you can cancel them out with each other, right? Okay, now you are trying to calculate -3 and +2. Start out with a three negative counters. So you have three negative counters that are of red color, so you can easily identify that these counters are representing -3. Right, now you're supposed to add two positive counters with them. So now add two positive counters. So positive counters are normally of yellow or green color. So you have added two positive counters. Now you know that the pair made up of a positive counter or a negative counter has value 0, so you can cross them out. So this pair, first pair minus and plus, this counters cancels out each other, and similarly these two counter cancel out each other. So what you are left with? You are left with one negative counter. That means you are left with only one negative counter. That means your answer should be -1. Well, this is very simple skill. Okay, let's do this on IXL. Okay, use counters to add +1 and -3. Let's do this on an application I would like to share with you in this video. Okay, using this step we can easily count, we can add or evaluate the positive and negative numbers. For example, we have +5 here, so we can simply take +5 tracks. For example, this is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. We have +5 counters, right? Now we need to add two negative counters because this is -2. So we are adding two negative counters together. Now we know that a pair of positive number or a negative number have a value of 0, so they can be cancelled out. So we can like do this like this, so they are vanished. So they are also vanished. So we have left with +3 counters. So that means its answer should be +3, right? Okay, now let's do this again and solve one problem from IXL. Like we have here, this is +1 and this is -3. First, you just pause this video and try to model this in your copy, and let's just give the answer, and then play the video so that you can solve for the answer. Okay, so you have +1, so you need to take one positive counter, and you have then -3, so that means you need to take three negative counters, right? Now you can cancel out the 0 pair from here, so you can cancel one 0 pair out, so you are left with two negative counters. So that means which is the right answer? Two negative counters. This is the right answer. Brilliant. Next we have -1 and -3. Okay, please pause this video and model this in your copy and then play the video to see the result. Okay, I hope you have solved this. This is -1 and -3. So first we need to clear this out for the last problem. Now we have -1, so we need to take one negative counter, and then we have -3, so again we need to take three negative counters. So do you have any 0 pair? No, because you do not have any positive counter to make a 0 pair. So that means this is your answer. So what is your answer? You have -4 counters in front of you. So you just need to take this answer with -4 counters in it. Okay, that's great. Using the modeling method, you can easily simplify all the questions you are having on IXL. For example, the next question is add positive 5 and negative 7. Okay, let's do this. Okay, just clear it out first. Now what we need to take? We need to take 5 positive counters, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, and then we need to take negative 7 counters. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So now just cancel out the 0 pairs first. So cancel out this, 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 this and also this. So you can cancel out all of these pairs and you are left with negative 2 counters. That means the answer should be negative 2, right? So this is the right answer. Using this skill, you can easily master this skill on IXL, and if you have any problem, I would also share the link of this applet. You can use this applet and you can easily solve this IXL skill. The code of the skill is 4J9. Just go there and solve it on IXL. Thank you so much.